two less lonely people in the world. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Good morning guys, how are you today? I'm going to have my breakfast. It's actually already almost 10 o'clock, 9:45. You know, yesterday I worked from 6 to 2 and I get home and I go straight to my computer and I put my telephone here. Yeah, I put my telephone here, and yeah, I was all staying here for around maybe until 7 o'clock maybe. Yeah, and then I go to bed. I didn't notice the telephone. I sleep and I wake up at around 2 o'clock and I got a missed call, 3 missed call from Inigo. Inigo is the Filipino guy in my workplace. Yeah, we are working in the same kitchen, but we are in different section. Yeah. I remember that he is asking me to have a chat with him somewhere around here. But I forgot. Yeah, I feel a little guilty, but you know, that's what happened. I'm going to have a breakfast now. I have rice also here. This is usually my first stop. Another relaxing area. There are some sit around. Children's playground. No, that's children's playground. And this is like a workout exercise area. And this is the view. Outside. Yeah. Hey, good morning guys. You know, I have a problem about this video, and just this morning I figured it out how to fix that. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, and also did my laundry this morning, but it is raining outside and I don't have uniform, so I put that there outside. My chef jacket and my apron just for the wind to get dried that, and the rest of those uniform I put here, still here. Yeah, and I'm going to do this later when I get home, and tomorrow I will be day off. Oh, let me close this. I will be day off tomorrow. I hope there will be no rain. Yeah. Today my duty will start at 12 o'clock. The time now is 9:30. I still have time. I hope that I'll be able to upload this today. Yeah, so the uniform that I am trying to dry is still wet. Yeah. And I have 30 minutes to get to work. It means that I am going to wear my uniform that I don't want to use. Yeah, I have this one. This is a new one, but it comes with this logo and my name in it, and I don't want to use this. I want to use this just for cooking show or food trial, something like that. Good afternoon guys, I am going to work now. It's raining today. I now have no problem about the rain because of this raincoat. I mean, because of this rain jacket and this rain trouser. I can go through the rain The only problem is that, you know, the raindrops, it touches my eyes and I can't really see the way. The water is very cold. The temperature also, it feels like you're in the freezer. Negative 18 degree in temperature. The temperature, yeah, but still manageable. My feet is actually starting to get numb. Yeah, the good thing is I'm already near to my workplace. Yeah, so it will be good later.